In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page in Notion. We'll be working in the latest Notion database interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up properties so your pages are more organized, searchable, and useful. First, start by opening the specific page where you want to add properties. This could be a task in your task database, a project page, a content idea, or really any item that lives inside a Notion database. Make sure you're on the full page view, not just the inline preview inside a table or board. If you click on the page title from your database, it should expand to fill the screen. That's the view you want. Once your page is open, look just below the page title. In the latest Notion database layout, you'll see an option that says Add a Property with a plus sign next to it. This area is where all your page properties live, like due dates, tags, owners, statuses, or anything else you decide to track. Go ahead and click on Add a Property. When you click that, Notion opens a menu of different property types you can choose from. This is where you tell Notion what kind of information you want to store. For example, if you want to track a deadline, choose the Date property. If you want to assign the page to a teammate or to yourself, choose the Person property. If you need a drop-down of predefined options like Not Started, In Progress, and Done, then Select is a great choice. You'll also see other types like Multi-Select, Checkbox, Number, and more, each designed for a slightly different kind of data. Take a moment to think about how you plan to use this property. Picking the right type now can save you time later, especially if you'll be filtering, sorting, or grouping your database. After you select the property type, Notion will prompt you to give it a name. Click into the name field, type a clear and descriptive label, and then press Enter. For example, you might call it Due Date, Owner, Priority, or Category, depending on what makes sense for that page. Using consistent names across your workspace will make it much easier to manage and reuse properties in other databases. Once you press Enter, the property is created and immediately added to that page. From here, you can click into the Property Value area to set the actual date, choose a person, or pick an option, depending on the type you selected. And that's all there is to it. Open the page, click, Add a Property, choose your property type, give it a name, and you're ready to start using it.